सभी शुभ अवसरों पर ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद लेना एक प्रथा है। आइए मधुर वंदना के साथ आह्वान कर उस ज्ञान की देवी का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करें। अब मैं सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत करने के लिए संस्थान की छात्राओं को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। धन्यवाद छात्राओं। अब मैं आपसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे विश्वविद्यालय का कुल गीत प्रस्तुत करें। धन्यवाद छात्राओं। अब मैं संस्थान के वर्तमान अध्यक्ष श्री एस के जैन जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे दीक्षांत समारोह के अध्यक्ष माननीय कुलपति महोदय प्रोफेसर आर के खांडाल जी को पुष्प भेंट कर उनका स्वागत करें। धन्यवाद सर। मैं श्री अनिल जैन जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि धन्यवाद सर। अब मैं श्री अनिल जैन जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे आज के विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदय श्री अशोक गुप्ता जी को पुष्प भेंट कर उनका स्वागत करें। धन्यवाद सर। संस्थान के अध्यक्ष श्री एस के जैन जी से निवेदन है कि वे दीक्षांत समारोह के अध्यक्ष माननीय कुलपति महोदय प्रोफेसर आर के खांडल जी से दीक्षांत समारोह प्रारंभ करने का अनुरोध करें।
Sir, I request you to declare the convocation open.
To declare the 5th convocation of Bharat Institute of Technology open.
अब मैं संस्थान के वर्तमान अध्यक्ष श्री एस के जैन जी को उद्बोधन हेतु आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
आज के समारोह के सभापति श्री आर के खंडाल साहब, ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर यूपीटीयू लखनऊ, मिस्टर अशोक गुप्ता, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर APL Apollo Tubes and Board of Trustee are with us today to bless the pass out students of this great occasion. The presence of various dignitaries, parents and guests present over here has further graced the occasion. I convey my sincere thanks to all of you on my behalf and behalf of the BOT of this institute for sparing invaluable times. इसके अलावा हम आज एक मिस कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब प्रोफेसर PB शर्मा, ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी। एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा, डॉक्टर साहब इजाज़त हो, कुछ तो मजबूरियाँ रही होंगी, वरना यूँ ही कोई बेवफा नहीं होता। शर्मा जी शायद इसी वजह से नहीं आ पाए हमारे बीच, हम उनको मिस कर रहे हैं आज। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
धन्यवाद सर। अब मैं प्रोफेसर MC बंसल, प्रोफेसर एंड हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे आज के मुख्य अतिथि, दीक्षांत समारोह के अध्यक्ष, विशिष्ट अतिथि एवं अन्य गणमान्य अतिथियों का स्वागत करने का कष्ट करें। प्रोफेसर बंसल।
Thanks, Dr. Kavita Tyagi, convener of the 5th convocation, for giving me this opportunity. Respected Professor R.K. Khandal, Honorable Vice Chancellor of UPTU, who is presiding over the function as head of the family. Mr. Ashok Gupta, Managing Director, APL Apollo Tubes, who is gracing the function as guest of honor. Our Honorable Chairman, members of BOT, our Dynamic Director General, Professor J.S. Virk, directors, HODs, faculty colleagues, respected parents and guests, dear degree recipients and prize winners, and most important, the representatives of press and media. Good morning to all of you, please. In the pursuit of academic excellence by any institute, the convocation ceremony has unparalleled importance. The significance and flavor of the occasion attains special importance when head of the family is also present. In this context, we are honored when our head of the family, Professor R.K. Khandal, Honorable Vice Chancellor of UP Technical University, Lucknow, is present to preside over the function. We are also honored that Mr. Ashok Gupta, Managing Director, APL Apollo Tubes, is gracing this function as guest of honor. It is therefore a matter of great honor and privilege to extend cordial and hearty welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor and guest of honor on behalf of Board of Trustees, Director General, Directors, HODs, faculty members, registrar, students, and on my personal behalf. ताली जोर से एक बार. धन्यवाद. I would also like to express our greetings and congratulations to our degree recipients for gracing the function. Hearty welcome is also due to the parents, distinguished guests, and prize winners for gracing the occasion. I am also welcoming the members of media and press for covering this important event of BIT, including Dan Galaxy, Nation, City Halchal, etc., and many national and local TV channels. I hope you know that it is being telecast directly today in all the channels. Thank you. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor R.K. Khandal, is a Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, London, and was President for 4 years. He started his career in 1982 as a lecturer from Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. He went for advanced research as a UNIDO Fellow to UK and as an invited guest scientist to France. While working in the industry, he acquired the skills of converting ideas into reality and of debottlenecking the manufacturing, adopting novel and innovative approaches. He is recipient of many national and international awards such as INSME, International Award for Innovation, R.N. Bangur Memorial Award for Novel Technologies, Amar Ujala Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution to Education, Lifetime Achievement Award by World Environment Congress in Food Preservation, Safety, Environment Protection, and Renewable Energy. Eminent Engineering Award by Institution of Engineers. Professor Khandal has supervised 20 PhDs and has been successful in commercialization and transfer of several of his technologies. He has 14 patents to his credit. He has published more than 100 research papers and more than 100 articles. He has authored 4 and edited 2 books. We are really honored to have such a learned Vice Chancellor to lead UPTU to greater heights as a mentor, leader, and innovator all at the same time. Really, we are proud of you. Thank you, sir. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure that along with such eminent academicians, we are having a leader from industry as guest of honor. It is always said that there should be a greater interaction of institutions with industries, and the presence of Mr. Ashok Gupta over here is a step in that direction by BIT. We are indeed grateful to him for having accepted our invitation and graced the occasion. Shri Ashok Gupta, Managing Director, APL Apollo Tubes, is a steel industry veteran with over 3 decades of experience. In his illustrious career, initially he had worked in Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, and he had gone to IIM Calcutta for special training. He has also worked in Bhushan Steel's ArcelorMittal Group and Jindal's. He is an MSc Physics, did his postgraduate diploma in Business Administration from MDI Gurgaon, and had specialized executive training at Harvard for 3 months. He is a great visionary and has taken his group to a greater height in a short time and has even bigger plans.